how to automatically generate articles on WordPress from YouTube videos. So every time a new video is published on your YouTube channel, you also create an article on the very same video topic for your WordPress website. But do you know that you can completely automate this article creation process? Yes, you just need to publish the video on your YouTube channel and the article will be generated on the same video title automatically using this application, and the same article will be even drafted on your WordPress website. Yes, it is possible. You do not have to do anything manually. Just publish the video on channel and rest of the two things will be done in the backend, will be done with the help of automation. So if you also want to start generating your articles with the help of automation, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So I'm going to publish a video on my YouTube channel and you will see the article on the same topic will be generated here on my WordPress website. But for that, I'll have to connect my YouTube application and WordPress website with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation, that too every month. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on access now and basically on the sign in link. Now, after reaching out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you will have to click on this button create workflow, and we are going to start creating our automation from here. Okay, so enter workflow name here. Just provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. I'm providing the name as create article in WordPress whenever video is live on YouTube. Okay, live here means publish. Okay, it is not that live YouTube. Okay, click on create and you will actually find two boxes in front of you, and those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example that, let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. Well, according to our use case, whenever the video is published in YouTube application, automatically create an article using OpenAI application. Well, what is this application all about? I'll tell you in this video. And once the article is generated, automatically publish the article on WordPress application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And since here we are connecting, we are creating an automation in between YouTube and WordPress and OpenAI, so that is why the first application here will be the YouTube. And in the trigger event, well, I want this automation to trigger whenever the new video in channel with the URL is published. Okay, now click on connect, click on add new connection, and the idea here is we are connecting our YouTube account with the Pabbly Connect first, so that we can actually bring the data of YouTube videos here into the Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the very same data to further different applications. Okay, so connect with the YouTube and provide the access of your YouTube channel here, and don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. So I have provided the same, and you will see the authorization will be successful. Okay, click on continue and the authorization will be successful, and your YouTube account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. And the first thing it is asking for the channel ID. Well, the channel name is actually Pabbly only, so I'll be selecting the same, and when I will click on this button, you will see the most recent video which I have published on my YouTube channel will be appear here. Basically the details of the same will captured here. So I will be publishing a new video in front of you only, and you will see when I will publish the video and click on that button, the same video will be automatically, the details of the same video will be automatically captured in the Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to provide a name. So how about what is digital marketing? This is the topic of my video. Okay, so I have provided the title for the same. Okay, here I'll be selecting this no, and I'm going to directly publish this video. Okay, Okay, the processing is done and the video is finally published. You can see what is digital marketing. There is no thumbnail selected. So first of all, I'm going to select a random thumbnail from here only. Okay, I have selected a random thumbnail from here and clicking on this save, and you will see it will be updated. Now I'll be coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to click on this button, and you will see the same video details will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the response is received. And let me even show you the details one by one. Here you can see I have that very same video title, the video URL, and you can see it is the same title, what is digital marketing. So the same video has been captured, basically the URL. Let me even show you the other details of this video. Okay, so you can see this is the publish time, this is the ID, and we even have the further details, basically the title of the video, and I think we have also received the thumbnail URL. So this is how the first step of our automation of our integration is done, which was connecting YouTube with the Pabbly Connect and capturing the data here. Now we want to generate the article on the very same title. Where is the title of my YouTube video? Let me check it. Okay, this is the title, and I need to generate article on the same, and I'm going to do that with the help of an amazing application, that is OpenAI. It is an AI research and deployment company which works on the concept of artificial intelligence, and using the artificial intelligence technique only we are going to generate the content, we are going to generate the articles. Okay, so I'm going to connect this application with the Pabbly Connect, but before I show you the process of connection, firstly I'll take you to this application, basically openai.com. You'll have to type openai.com, and this is how you can reach to the website of OpenAI, and you will have to click on this API section and first log into this application, basically create an account for you. I already have an account into this application, so as you can see I have reached here. Now firstly you will have to go to this playground section, and in this playground only we are going to see how the articles can be generated automatically. So I'll even show you the live example. Simply write it. Okay, write a story on a dog. So I am providing this particular command to the playground, and I will click on submit, and you will see a story on dog will be start writing with the help of this application, and this is the magic of the automation. Let us first read the story. One day a dog named Max was out for a walk with his owner. They walked past a park where a bunch of kids were playing. Okay, really it has generated a very genuine and interesting story. So this is how you just need to provide a command to this particular box, and you will see the articles will be generated automatically. And not just the articles, you can use this OpenAI application for generating the YouTube description, your articles description, writing a book, a story, or it can be used for any purpose because it is working on the artificial intelligence concept. Okay, and with the help of this particular application only we are going to generate the article by connecting OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. And here you can see in the right hand side you will find few settings. Okay, so you will also have to learn first that what are these settings all about. So firstly it will ask you the model, basically with the help of which particular model you would like to generate the content. So the best content here, best model here is the text, the Vinci 002. This is the most capable model in the GPT-3 series. So I will actually select the same model. Now it is asking for the temperature. So firstly I'm going to read the instructions. Basically it controls the randomness of the article of the content. Okay, so lowering results in less random completion. As the temperature approaches to the zero, the model will become deterministic and repetitive. So if your value is closed to zero, it will generate the more repetitive content. So make sure you provide a nice value. So I am providing 0.7 in order to generate the unique content. Now it is asking for the maximum length. These are actually the tokens to generate. Okay, request can use up to 2048 to 4000 tokens shared between the prompt and the completion. Okay, the exact limit varies model. Only token is roughly 4 characters for normal English text. Okay, so 1 token is actually equal to the 4 characters of your English text. Okay, so based on that particular requirement, based on your choice, you will have to provide the token. Okay, So basically you are providing the length of your articles in the number of character. Okay, now stop sequence, so you just need to decide a character for that. So how about I choose this double hash and 2 question mark as my stop sequence, and what will happen with this stop sequence? So how about I am providing, okay, firstly I'm going to remove this existing content and I'll show you that how this stop sequence works. So how about I write it as write a reply for the YouTube comment. Okay, and let's say, okay, let me correct the spelling, and let's say someone has commented on my video that your video is really nice. Okay, so here exactly my content is actually ends, so that is why here I will be placing this stop sequence. Okay, this is not my stop sequence. Okay, let me add the correct one. So in this way I am actually telling the system that this is the stop sequence and my instructions are end here, and then now I will click on this button, so you will see it will provide me a nice reply to my comment. Okay, so this is how the stop sequences can be used, and we even have further details. So you just hover here, read the instructions and do these settings as per your choice. So now for now, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and I am going to connect OpenAI with Pabbly Connect. So go with add new connection, and it is asking for the token. So OpenAI uses API keys for the authentication, so you will have to go to this particular page, and since I am already logged into the OpenAI, so you will be directly redirect to the API key section, and here I am going to generate a new API key which I have copied. Coming back, paste it here, click on save, and this is how you can connect your OpenAI account with the Pabbly Connect. Now you just need to provide the AI model, and as I have just told you, I am interested in using this text the Vinci 002, which is the most capable model. Now it is asking for the prompt, so you can actually check the supported prompts format here, but as I have just told you that whatever the instructions you are providing here, whatever the prompts, whatever the commands you are providing here, these considered as the prompt. And here I would like to generate an article, so here my instruction will be, my prompt will be write an article on, and now here I am going to provide the title, and on which title I would like to generate the article, basically on this particular title. And I don't need to copy and paste this title here manually. If you will click here, you will see a drop down and option will appear here which is saying insert the data from the previous step. So you can see the above data is actually visible here, and you just need to map that particular content, that particular title, the value. Okay, and this is how the mapping can be performed. And let me tell you, whatever the details you are going to map here in this way, these details will be replaced automatically in real time. Yes, this is how this automation will take place. What will happen? The new details, the new video details will be captured here, and these details will replace the existing value, and this is how, this is the power of mapping, this is the power of automation. So make sure if you want this automation to work in the real time, you will have to map the values instead of providing anything manually. Now it is asking for the several details, and these are the same details which we were discussing in the OpenAI settings. You can see, so just read the instructions and provide these settings as per your choice. I am going to leave all these fields blank, and you will see it will actually take the default value. And here my purpose is just to show you how the articles can be generated. So I'll be clicking on this button directly, and you will see I will actually receive a nice content for this particular blog, basically what is digital marketing. And here you can see I have received the response, and under this choices or text you will actually find your content. Let me check for the same, and yes, digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also include mobile phones, display advertising and any other digital mediums. So did you notice that how the article has just got created automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect, with the help of OpenAI application? application. Now once you actually receive this article, you just need to draft this article on your WordPress website automatically. So for that you will have to go to this plus icon, and here we will be choosing the WordPress as the action application. Okay, so I'll be selecting WordPress now, and in action event, since I want to create a blog post, so that is why it will be the same. Click on connect, click on add new connection, and it is asking for the username and password, so I'll be adding the same. And this integration uses the basic authentication method and requires that the WordPress REST API application authentication plugin be installed and activated on your WordPress. So before I provide this username and password, you will also have to install this particular add-on into your WordPress website. So after following these instructions, I'm going to perform the same. So this is my WordPress website. Let me search for the plugin section. Okay, where is the plugin section? Here it is. Let me open that, and the name of the plugin is actually WordPress REST API authentication. So I'm going to search for the same into my plugin section. Okay, so copy, come back here, and here I'll be searching for the same. Okay, and let me search if this particular add-on has already installed on my WordPress website or not. And yes, it is already installed. You can see it is showing deactivate, so that is why it is already activated. So when you are going to install it, you just have to actually click on this add new button, and from here exactly search for this plugin, and you will actually find this plugin. And this is how from this activate button you can easily install this plugin. For now, I will again directly open this plugin section, and here I will search for this plugin once again. Okay, so let me again search for this plugin. All right, here's the plugin. Go to the configure section, and in this configure section you will find this option basic authentication. Click on that and make sure this particular option should be ticked mark, username and password with base 64 encoding. Finally click on this next and click on finish, and this is how the basic authentication method is configured successfully. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and as per the instructions we have followed all the things. Now you just need to provide the username, the password and the base URL. Again read the instructions. So the base URL should be actually consist with the HTTP and HTTPS also, and just read the instructions. Here I will go to my website and I'm going to copy the base URL of my website, and here I'll be providing the same, and let me again provide the access also. After providing all these details, clicking on save, and you will see my WordPress website will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the basic details. The very first thing, it is the post type. Well, I would like to create the blog post, so that is why I will go with the same. It is asking for the post title. Again, instead of providing the values manually, I am going to map it from my YouTube step, and here I am having the snippet title, so I have added my title here. Now it is asking for the post content, which I have just created in the above step only. Here you can see choices 0 text. I have whole content which I have mapped. What should be the slug of my article? So again I am going to map the title only, and this will be the slug of my article. Now I am leaving this excerpt section, and status should be draft, because firstly I am going to review this article, and then if I will find this article to be very nice, I will approve this article, and then only I am going to publish this blog manually. So for now the status will be drafted only, and in case you want to do these settings, you can actually do the same. For now I am going to leave all these settings blank, and finally clicking on this button. But before that, let me go back to the post section of my WordPress website, and here only my blog will be visible. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to received. All right, fingers crossed, and the response is received. Going back here, let me refresh this section and wait for that article, and yes, we have the article. What is digital marketing? Let me even preview this article. All right, and yes, it is the same article. Digital marketing is the marketing of products or services using digital technologies. So this is how you can create the article, and now you can actually do the basic formatting of your article. You can even add the images, and then you can finally publish this article. So this is how now onwards, as soon as you're going to upload any video in your YouTube channel, the same video, basically the title, on the same title, the articles will be generated and drafted here automatically. And this is how you can automate your process, and creating the workflow in this particular software is just a one-time process. You just need to create this automation once inside Pabbly Connect, and after that sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And in case your articles are not being created in the real time right after the video publishing, don't worry, just wait for 10 minutes, because it is clearly written here, this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So what will happen, the system will go to the YouTube channel and will check for the new YouTube video in every 10 minutes. So that is why it may take at least up to 10 minutes in order to draft the article. So just don't bother and wait for it. And in case you want to clone this particular workflow into your account, I'll be adding the shareable link into my description box, from where you can directly clone the same workflow into your account, that too for free. You just need to log into the Pabbly Connect, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.